To really understand if LegalZoom is the right fit for you, we need to break down what it offers, who it's designed for, and where its limitations lie. We'll look at the pros, the cons, the costs, and most importantly, the scenarios where LegalZoom shines and where you might be better off seeking alternative solutions. First, let's talk about what LegalZoom actually is. At its core, LegalZoom is an online legal technology company. They are not a law firm. This is a crucial distinction. They provide self-help legal documents, forms, and filing services, often with some level of attorney support available as an add-on or through a subscription plan. Think of them as a very sophisticated legal document preparation service, rather than your personal lawyer. Now, for the pros, and there are certainly some significant ones that have made LegalZoom a household name. The most obvious advantage is cost-effectiveness. Compared to hiring a traditional attorney for every single document or filing, LegalZoom can offer substantial savings. For basic tasks like forming an LLC, drafting a simple will, or registering a trademark, their fees are often a fraction of what a law firm would charge. This affordability opens up access to legal processes for individuals and small businesses that might otherwise be priced out. Next is convenience and accessibility. LegalZoom's platform is designed to be user-friendly. You can access their services from anywhere with an internet connection, at any time. The guided questionnaires make the process of filling out legal documents relatively straightforward, even if you don't have a legal background. This eliminates the need for in-person appointments, endless phone calls, and the general hassle often associated with traditional legal work. Their online dashboard allows you to track your progress, which can be a real plus for organization. LegalZoom also boasts a wide range of services. They go beyond just business formation. You can use them for personal legal needs like wills, trusts, and power of attorney. For businesses, they offer everything from LLC and corporation formation to intellectual property filings, trademarks and copyrights, registered agent services, and even legal plan subscriptions that provide access to independent attorneys for consultations. This one-stop shop approach can be appealing if you have multiple legal needs. Their experience and brand recognition are also noteworthy. LegalZoom has been around since 2001 and has helped millions of customers. This longevity suggests a certain level of reliability and refinement in their processes. They also offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee with a 60-day refund policy, which provides some peace of mind. However, it's equally important to examine the cons, the areas where LegalZoom might fall short, or where its worth becomes debatable. The biggest potential drawback is the lack of personalized legal advice. As mentioned, LegalZoom is not a law firm. While they offer attorney access through some plans, this is typically for consultations and not for direct representation or in-depth legal strategy tailored to complex, unique situations. If your legal matter is complicated, involves multiple jurisdictions, or requires nuanced interpretation of laws, a DIY approach with LegalZoom might not be sufficient. In some cases, using generic templates for complex agreements, like an operating agreement for a multi-owner business, could lead to problems down the line if it doesn't precisely reflect the partner's intentions. Another common complaint revolves around upselling and hidden fees. While their initial prices for basic services might seem low, users often report being pushed to purchase additional services, add-ons, or subscription plans that can significantly increase the final cost. These can include registered agent services, EIN acquisition, operating agreements, and ongoing compliance tools. Some users have also reported unexpected auto-renewals for services they didn't realize they had signed up for. It's crucial to read the fine print and understand exactly what's included in your chosen package and what might cost extra. Customer service reviews are also a mixed bag. While many users praise the helpfulness of specific representatives, others report long wait times, inconsistent support, and difficulties getting clear answers, especially via email. This can be frustrating when you're dealing with important legal documents. Finally, turnaround times can sometimes be slower than expected, particularly with basic packages. While expedited processing is often available for an additional fee, it means that the cheapest option might take longer for your documents to be filed or processed. So, when is LegalZoom worth it? Simple, standardized legal needs. If you're looking to form a single-owner LLC, draft a basic will without complex assets or beneficiaries, or register a straightforward trademark, LegalZoom can be a highly efficient and cost-effective solution. These are typically tasks where the legal requirements are well-defined and don't require extensive legal interpretation. Budget-conscious individuals and small businesses. For those with limited financial resources, LegalZoom provides an accessible entry point to handle essential legal tasks that might otherwise be unaffordable. DIY comfort level. If you're comfortable with online processes, reading instructions, and taking responsibility for the information you provide, LegalZoom's platform can be a good fit. Post-formation compliance reminders. Their compliance calendar and reminders for annual reports can be helpful for small business owners trying to stay organized. When might LegalZoom not be worth it? Complex legal situations. If your business has multiple founders, complex ownership structures, significant intellectual property to protect beyond basic trademarks, or unique contractual needs, a traditional attorney who can provide tailored advice and draft custom documents is likely a much better investment. Need for in-depth legal advice or representation. LegalZoom cannot represent you in court, nor can they provide the same level of strategic legal counsel as a dedicated attorney. If you anticipate needing ongoing legal guidance, litigation support, or highly specialized advice, a law firm is indispensable. Unwillingness to scrutinize add-ons. If you're prone to clicking through without carefully reviewing charges, you might end up paying more than you intended with LegalZoom's upsell tactics. Preference for personalized support. If you value direct, consistent communication with a single legal professional who understands your specific situation intimately, LegalZoom's more generalized customer support model might not meet your expectations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.